If you're getting your caravan ready after time off the road, this video is for you. Today I'm resetting our caravan from power and cleaning to packing and final checks before we head off for a week away at West Beach. No rush, just a calm, practical way to get ready for travel again. After some time away from travelling, it feels really good to walk back up to the caravan again. She's been sitting here at our new place, and before we head off, it's time to give her a proper reset. This is always the moment where you remember exactly how much there is to do. The fridge is empty, the cushions are everywhere, and there's a layer of dust that tells you it's been a little while. It's time to get cleaning. First things first, I like to open everything up, let some light in, get some fresh air flowing through, and just wake the space up again. And next, it's a quick check of our power and water systems, just making sure that everything's set correctly and we've got enough battery. And for this trip, we won't be needing some of the gear that we normally use. So the stuff that we store in the van, like the solar panels, can go into the garage, and I'll take out our big camping chairs and put them in the back of the car. Once the systems are sorted and things are taken out of the van, I move straight into the kitchen, and it doesn't take long, but wiping everything down makes the van feel fresh again. We use the same battery system for our vacuum cleaner as we do for our other tools, which makes it really easy. A thorough vacuum, a shake out of the mat, and already it feels like a different space. The bathroom and ensuite are quick jobs too. Just a wipe over, mirrors cleaned, and everything put back where it belongs. And once that's done, everything gets packed away again and we move on to the next job. The fridge gets a proper clean too, inside and out. There's something very satisfying about starting with an empty, clean fridge. John's been and done the grocery shopping, so it's time to start putting the groceries away. Just the basics of now, the breakfast cereal, the coffee pods, a few snacks, enough to just get us started. The fridge and freezer don't stay empty for long. By the end, it's stocked and ready for the week ahead. Then the sheets are washed and the clothes go back into the van as well. And this is the part where it really starts to feel like home again. And before we head out, I do one last check inside, making sure cupboards are locked and everything is secure for travel. So that's it, we've locked up, we're heading off.
Yeah.
Off on our first adventure that we've been on for quite a while, so
Let's go.
let's go. And with everything packed and ready, it's time to head off. We do a full walk around, just checking that everything is exactly as it should be. It's the small things. The covers are closed, plugs are clipped back, and the tow setup is double checked. And just like that, we're ready to go. Next stop, West Beach.
My gate. Oh, that's how you do it.
Yeah.
You're going to click that thing as well.
We always forget, but we didn't this time, which is good. So
how's the confidence?
yep, it's good.
Just like riding the bike.
We are off on our first adventure in the caravan for a while, heading to Adelaide to West Beach.
Right.
In the next episode, we'll arrive at West Beach Caravan Park, get set up and settle into our week away. Thanks for coming along as we got the van ready for travel again, and we'll see you in the next one.